Guys, I have two different caterpillars to show you. I hope you like this sort of thing. Be sure and leave your comments below and check out all of our other arachnid, spider, and creepy crawly videos if you like this sort of thing. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. What is this creature here? This, dear friends, is a caterpillar. What kind? I couldn't tell you for sure. Which butterfly it would make, I don't know. But it's kind of a pretty caterpillar, kind of a neat looking one. It may be a very destructive caterpillar. It seemed it may have released some type of a bit of an odor on me from picking it up and carrying it. Look at those back legs. Very, very neat. I know, I'm showing you guys a lot of these critters of late. Come and get me, Mr. Caterpillar. It's a pretty neat looking feller, I tell you what. Interesting pattern on its back. Back leg still hanging on. Doesn't that just look like, what is it, a terrier? I forget what type of dog it is, but this is not a dog. This is a woolly bear or some other type of feathery caterpillar. Here we go again. You're just going to chase me everywhere, huh? Let's see if I can get it right in focus. Check out the feet. I don't know if you got a chance to see them. Just trying to show you his feet. Turn it. Turn it. Not seeing his feet. Alright, turn it. There you go. Hold still. Hold still. How neat is that? Look at those feet. Hold still. Now this may be the type of, yep, you okay, buddy? Caterpillar that his hairs can irritate your skin if it gets on you, so handle with care, which is why we're not picking it up. He says that's probably enough of that pencil. Turn it over. Alright, I hope you like this sort of thing. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Have a good one. Hope you enjoyed seeing this guy up close. Looks like something out of Men in Black. You wonder where they get all their inspiration from? It's from nature. It's from guys like this right here.